Examples number 11 and 19 from page 325 talks about converting from decimal or DMS form or degree form to radians and from radians to degrees. That's another conversion we have to make to be able to work with angles in the physical world. So number 11 asks us to take 120 degrees and change that to radians. So we have another conversion factor. And the way we do that is we take our 120 degrees and we're going to multiply that times our conversion factor, which is pi radians per 180 degrees. And we just perform that, and the best way to do it is just to simplify what you have. So find the common factor and cancel it out. So 60 goes into both of these. 60 goes into 183 times, and 60 goes into 122 times. And since they're degrees and degrees, numerator, denominator, that unit cancels. So we're left with just the pi radians as the unit. And so we get for an answer that 120 degrees becomes 2 pi over 3 radians. Now for number 19, what we're doing is we are converting from radians to degrees, and our radian measure is pi over 10. And so we're going to just use the reciprocal of the conversion factor we used in the previous problem. So we take pi over 10, and we're going to multiply that times 180 degrees over pi radians, and the radian units will cancel, and again we simplify this fraction. 10 goes into 10 once, and 10 goes into 180 18 times, and the pi's will cancel. The radian cancels, and we're left with the degrees. So pi over 10 becomes 18 degrees.